Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for essay writing. So if you want to write high quality essays quickly for school or college, just follow along. First, open Claude AI on your phone and start a new chat. After that, clearly give your essay topic. For example, you can type, write an essay on climate change or write 500-word essay on importance of education. Claude will generate a structured essay with an introduction, body paragraphs, and a conclusion. Next, you can customize it by giving extra instruction. For example, make it simple for students or make it more formal and detailed. You can also ask Claude to improve the essay. For example, you can say add more examples or make the introduction more engaging. If you already have an essay, you can paste it into Claude and ask it to correct the grammar, improve vocabulary, or reformat it properly. So that was how to use Claude AI for essay writing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.